am Jessica Elise, and I'd like to welcome you to my channel, Exquisite Truth Television, where being exquisite in your individual truth is a movement. Today I have for you all a special video. I'm going to do some holiday detox recipes. So I decided to do this video. I wanted to get some different holiday specialty drinks and taste them. But right now I'm in a period of like trying to cut back on my sugar intake. So I said, how can I participate in this and do like VlogMAS and create something holiday related? And I said, I know, I'll do a detox water, but utilize holiday fruits and vegetables and herbs and things that can be put together to make it a holiday detox water. You feel where I'm going with this? Hopefully. So we're gonna give this a try today. First, I'm going to show you me preparing everything for this particular video. Now that we have everything all clean and ready to go, I am going to start getting things together. Well, initially the recipes that I found for this holiday video required pears and apples. But then I went into the grocery store, as you can see in my last video. I'll go ahead and tag that up above. But I walked up and saw these, which are pear apples. Now, don't ask me the science behind how a pear and an apple marry together and create a baby, because I don't think this works like, you know, child, I don't think it works. Yeah, like, yeah, okay, because it's fruit. I don't know the science behind that. I'd have to Google that information for you all, and I have not. But maybe you can let me know in the comment section. And then I have a pomegranate. So I just want to say I've been calling a pomegranate for as long as I've known what a pomegranate is. But I realized today, well, I noticed that the spelling was like pomegranate, and I'm just like, well, why does it keep adding more anates to it? And then I just was like, because it's a pomegranate, so I think it's pomegranate. Then I got some cinnamon sticks, and another thing that wasn't in the last video was my mint leaves, which I try to keep some of these in the house anyways because I love a little mint leaf in my water. And then I like to do it with like cucumbers. Right now I just squeeze the lemon in there. I don't put the lemon rind in there anymore. I was looking for glass jars that I could put this stuff in, and one of the things that I had seen online were these like blue ball jars, and they're labeled, but I didn't know they were like a collector's edition when I was trying to get it. I just saw blue, and that's like of my color scheme, and I feel like it's different, and I've never seen this before, so of course it was something I had to have and I needed in my life. I found these recipes online, y'all. So if you're looking for good recipes for detox water, different ideas, definitely just Google it. You know, Google is your friend, yo. I mean, unless y'all want me to become like an expert on this, then let me know that in the comment box. You know, like, tell me if you need me to be on the hunt for a good detox water. So I'm putting 3 different cinnamon sticks in here. Oh, it's pretty already. She's cute. Okay, so I have that, and then let me show y'all how this looks inside. That's so interesting. I hope the camera... The camera is really not trying to focus on this pear. Okay, so anyway, this pear apple. So it's like a shape of an apple, but then the interior is really soft like a pear would be, but it's shaped like an apple, so it doesn't look like a pear. I wonder what y'all, like, I haven't even. And then also I noticed how like the core is just like a pear, y'all. Like the stem itself is like split in half, almost like a pear would. I didn't even intend to do that. Now I have to like taste this. I'm just curious. So I'm gonna taste some. This looks like really good. Like, I want that to go in my water. Okay. Mmm. Oh, that's really good. It tastes like a It's really sweet too. Mmm. It's giving me more pear than anything, but it's very sweet and it's been in the fridge, so it's kind of chilled and it's giving me like goodness and mercy, you know. So I'm gonna try to fill this up. So I need a little bit more to do that. So yeah, I think that is good enough. So I got my cinnamon sticks at the bottom, my pear apple at the top. That's a win for me. So that is our first detox water. I'm gonna add the water at the end, guys, so don't worry, it's coming. So the next recipe is apple cinnamon pomegranate. 2 to 3 cinnamon sticks. And I love me some cinnamon sticks. And you know what is really good if you've never had it? So here's our 3 cinnamon sticks. But you take you some cinnamon sticks and hot water. And it's like, and then sprinkle some cinnamon on top. Talk about some good drinking. Just like literally the herb by itself. Just the cinnamon sticks, and let it marinate in that hot water. Oh, that is a good little like concoction tea drink. So, okay, I just cut up my pear apple. I just have like a little bit. I only have a small piece left of the first one. But I do have a second apple pear that's over here. And I do have another one in the fridge that came with, it was the 3-pack. So this is actually the same thing as the last one now, but I'm gonna add pomegranate to it. It looks beautiful. I must say it looks beautiful. It's very fresh. I'm done with the pomegranate. My next recipe calls for fresh mint leaves and cranberries. So how about I add some mint leaves in now. So I like to keep it on the stem, mainly because I've noticed with my water bottle that when it's off the stem, sometimes the leaf will get caught up in my straw and I'll be sucking on leaf. So when it's on the stem, I don't have that concern. There's a lot of cranberries. Like I don't even know if I have more room for mint leaves. So this is what I have for that. It's mainly cranberries, but it's got that little mint leaf there. And I'm thinking that'll be enough for me to do what I need to do. Okay guys, so I have here some water. I just use like filtered tap water and it's double filtered. So that's good enough for me. Yummy! I'm excited. I've outdone myself. I am excited. So yeah, so that's about it for right now. I am going to put these in the fridge overnight. When I get up in the morning, I'm going to taste them for you all.